Karisma Putra Sejahtera is a distribution company of machinery and laundry products for commercial, hotel, and hospital laundry, with more than 40 employees. We have our own office building, showroom, and warehouse as a commitment to provide excellent service for our customer. Our company vision is to become the leading laundry machine distributor that can be fully trusted by doing development in human resource and management system. We are providing a well-known machines brands from America, Europe, and Asia. Service, maintenance, and installations for commercial, hotel, and hospital laundry machines will be delivered by our expert. We are here to help the design for our customer laundry area layout. We also fulfill the need for chemical and laundry equipment to support the laundry process. After all, we're always trying to become the best customer's laundry contractor and consultant. Here are the names of our satisfied clients. Our products are manufactured in USA, Spain, Korea, China, and Thailand. For further information, do not hesitate to contact us.